ability.
Okay.
That means sorry.
No, okay, how you can sing now? Okay, you should go to different. Okay,
To learn
sing.
Chinese.
Okay, come on, sing. Super idol 的笑容。
到底小孩的
啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
Da-di-da-di-da-di-da. Also, somewhere there was a sign that said, "Are you brave enough to tell the future?" There's a sign that said that.
Yeah, so what? Are you brave to tell the future?
I don't know.
Nah, of
What
course.
she's like. I will have to for out the list.
But for me, no problem as long as every day to be with you.
Should I?
Yeah.
Whoa, look. Wow, it's so beautiful. Not the view over here. Oh, you turned the thing that made it beautiful.
Hey,
It's called flash.
a coconut tree, yeah?
Yeah. Coconut. That's the coconut song.
Oh, yeah. Sing that song for me.
I don't know. We can search it on YouTube.
No,
There's a
coconut
part that.
song.
Yeah. Also, there's a part that if you can use the wood from the coconut.
Hey, today the cloud is beautiful.
Yeah, I heard that you can use the trunk in the. The song told me that you can use the trunk to
the birds. Have you seen the birds?
Yeah, I heard that you can use
fly through.
I heard that you can use the trunk to. I heard that you can use the trunk to make a second floor or something. I don't know if it's true or not.
Oh, we should go this side now. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Let's go this side. Do you know why? Because later the train station look beautiful.
Oh, the sympathy. Everybody want to be my enemy.
Hey, you don't sing too loud, huh?
Yeah.
Come here. We're going.
When I see something beautiful, I will tell you.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Like this.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, the sun is very beautiful here.
The sun is beautiful.
Yeah, the sun is more beautiful here.
Also, what happens if you swear in the...
Look at this. Wow, look at the cloud.
Yeah.
It's a pineapple tree.
Apple pie.
Do you see so well a lot audience watch your videos?
Yeah.
Right?
Apple.
For the beautiful Taiwanese sky.
Pan. Boom. Apple pan. Pineapple. Pan. Boom. Pineapple pan. Apple pan and
Pineapple pan.
Boom. Pineapple apple pan.
Yeah, super good, huh?
Oh, look. I finished it. Look.
Whoa. It's a school.
No, it's a really big house. I think.
Okay, so should we change it now?
Yep. Yeah, but
Go.
only for like 1 minute.
Change it.
Good night.
哎，这。Okay.
下车时请注意月台。
Good morning.
Hey, when you see how cute this Japanese station look like in Taiwan. Hey, where? Hello?
Huh?
Huh? Huh?
What do you mean where?
Where is the station?